You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this wine name, the name of this grape variety originally from Germany, the German way, and how to say it in English. Gewürztraminer. That's the German pronunciation here. Gewürztraminer. In English, therefore, if you want to learn more wine names, by the way, I've got a few videos for you to learn. Coming up in just a second. In English, Gewürztraminer. Gewürztraminer. It's easy, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.